Hello, I'm Adam from MarketLife.com here with a free video for December 21st, 2020. So a couple things to think about here. First of all, you can go to MarketLife.com and see our entire small cap watch list, and you probably should. If you look through that list, you're going to see that there are a number of things that are just strong. So they're not really set up for potential buy points, but those are things that we're watching. If they set up well over the next 2 weeks, we'll be looking at some trades in some of those. The next thing, of course, you want to think about is the holidays. This will take volume out of the market here at different points over the next 2 weeks, and that could be an issue. Particularly some of these stocks are obviously very thin. Depending on your position size, you may have difficulty moving some positions around this week and next week as volume lightens up. Of course, there are some days where the market is not open. You have to know where those are, and a shortened session on the 24th. You just don't want to be caught by surprise with things like that, so you absolutely have to know. But let me give you two setups here we're looking at. One is still looking, we've been following KIRK here for a while. It did break to the upside out of the flag. If you don't have a position, you can buy a breakout. This is a case where you can use this little inside bar. Doesn't look like much, but this indicates volatility compression on the lower time frame, and it's a good buy trigger. What you want to do here Monday is buy an upside break, only breaking out of the upside of Friday's bar, and you only want to hold that on the close if you're above Thursday's high. So what you're doing is you're using this as a potential tipping point. We don't know if this will trigger Monday. No one knows, but it's a point where if we get a little bit of buying pressure, it can lead to a much bigger move. So you want to buy an upside break there. The other stock that I want to point out to you today is quite a different setup. This is Aerie Pharmaceuticals, AERI, and this is a breakout right here at last month's high. So you're looking at buying above 1340, and you only want to hold that trade if it's above either on that day or the next day. So you don't necessarily want to, you don't want to demand that it breaks above and never looks back, but you do want to see that that day or maybe the following day it develops a little bit of momentum. If you don't see that, it's probably not a great entry. So that's what we're looking at. Check out those names. Go to MarketLife.com. Check out the rest of the list there. If the video is helpful, subscribe to the channel, give us a like on the video, tell everybody you know, and we will see you back for another video later this week.